Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from KE Arms. Feel free to check them out. They have a interesting variety of items. KE Arms. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's get this open. Got some paper wadding. Let's dump everything out here. Let's see what we got. Okay. I don't think there's a manifest. So let's go off my notes. Main attraction here is the DMR Trigger. Should be Gen 3 curved. So you can see here in the packaging, looks like it comes with a couple pins, drop-in unit itself, X wrench, and instructions. So let's go ahead and pull the unit out itself real quick. I don't want to lose all the pieces. But see the card there. So, DMR Trigger Gen 3. Next up, let's go to patches here. So we should have two patches. Simply suck them back to back, which is fine. One should be the classic patch, the other one should be the, let's see, multi-patch. This one. So look up these items online. Let's see what else we got here. We have last item, a t-shirt in a nice big Ziploc. Alright, minimal tag. The front is KE Arms logo. On the back it says I dare you. Here we have a nice little setup there. KE Arms contact website. So the I dare you t-shirt. Couple of patches, and the main thing here, the DMR Trigger. Again, these all came from KE Arms. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. KE Arms. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, and we also do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.